So in my first video, I showed you how easy it was to set up and get going with Olis Connect and how you paired it to the UR controller. And now we're actually getting to the fun stuff, which is what I like, where we're going to start embedding teleoperation into your Polyscope programs. So to do that, we're going to use my example task here. It's the marble run robot. It picks a marble at the bottom and goes up and drops it off. And then in this case, it waits 7 seconds and then it repeats the same thing again, and the marbles go. So if we just look at this, program really quickly inside a Polyscope, it should look something like this. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward program with pick and place task with a couple of grip checks in between. I'm going to stop it there. And if the grip check fails down here at the bottom, it will basically create a pop-out that says out of marbles. Now the problem is that a person now needs to walk up to the robot and click this button to make the robot continue, no matter how trivial the problem is. So what we want to be able to do is to do this remotely from wherever we are. And you could potentially do remote desktop into the robot controller like I'm doing here, just to show you this on your screen. But you don't really want to restart a robot unless you have video feeds at the same time that are real time and low latency. So you actually know that it's safe, make sure that nothing unexpected has happened, make sure that you can really just go ahead and press play again. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap out this pop-up warning for a teleoperation node. So what you do to change the structure of the program, you simply do what I did here. You select the pop-up, go to structure, and you hit delete. And now we're going to replace that with one of the UR caps. So you have a couple of tabs here of different functions. We choose UR caps, and we pick Olis Teleop. And then we click on that node, and then we go to command. And here we can put in the settings. And this is basically asking how long do you want to teleoperate for. And what we want to do here is we want to teleoperate until the user says they're done. And what do you want the message to be? And I want to customize the message to say, out of marbles, please refill. And now that we've done that, we're actually done. That's how easy it is to add teleoperation to your program. And another thing we're going to do is we're going to change the wait here to 0 seconds, such that the program will fail faster, and I'll get to show you how the teleoperation works. And before we're done, we should probably save this program. And now we're ready to move over to Olis console, to the laptop where I am here. And here we can see the program is stopped. We see everything looks good. All the videos are look fine. There's marbles down there, 2 red marbles. We got a couple of blue extra marbles here in storage that we'll probably have to go and get. And at the bottom here, you have the wrist camera view. So it looks like it's safe to just press play here. The robot starts by going to the drop off and then goes down and picks up the marbles. And off they go. Now the robot's going to go down, and it got there too soon, so there was no marble to pick up, and the grip check failed. And we're now in teleoperation. It says out of marbles, please refill. So what we're going to do is we're going to refill. Going to open the gripper a little bit, and we're going to go and get some of our blue extra marbles. And I'm navigating, or I'm driving the robot using this gamepad. And I go down carefully. I can scale down. If I want to move even slower, I can scale the motion down, which is nice for precision tasks. I'm going to try to see if I can get 2 marbles here. I think I'm a little high. I'm going to go down. I want to grab the marbles, but I don't want to grab what they're sitting on. So that looks great. I can now speed up a little bit, go back up. I can look in the cameras there in the middle camera. I can see that I did successfully grab those 2 marbles. And now I can simply hit teleoperation completed. I have grabbed marbles, and they will now be put at the top of the marble run. And if this is not enough, we might have to go and repeat this thing. Hopefully, 4 marbles will be enough. So now you can see the blue marble made it through, and it's at the bottom. And that's really all there is to adding teleoperation. Now, you might ask, can every task be solved using teleoperation? And the answer is no. But if you don't have something like this, then you're dead in the water, no matter how simple the problem is. The other thing you could do with teleoperation is simply inspect. You can drive the arm around using the wrist camera, and you can inspect the different parts of your process. In this case, my marble run. I can make sure that everything is fully operational before I actually press play. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.